This somatic exercise is for learning to regain control of the extensor muscles of the back. It is common when these muscles are chronically contracted that we will get symptoms of lower back pain or a hyperlordotic curve in our lower back. These simple exercises are to be done cautiously and with full awareness to really notice the nuanced movements of the body and the contraction and relaxation with each movement. So to begin, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet near your buttocks. You want to have your feet a little bit apart, about 2 fist widths, as well as your knees. Begin by pressing your pelvis down against the floor several times. Then begin pressing the tailbone down more firmly than the rest of the pelvis. What you will notice is it'll make your lower back arch up at the belt line. Slide one hand under the small of your back to feel how the muscles contract on both sides of your spine as your lower back arches. Now remove your hands, rest them at your side, and inhale as you arch your lower back, and then exhale and flatten your lower back down towards the floor. Gradually increase the range of this movement by pressing the tailbone down more firmly to lift the lower back higher, and then by pressing the lower back down more firmly, which slightly lifts the tailbone. Do this movement slowly and gently, about 10 times. Notice the movement through your entire spine as you arch your lower back, feeling it coming all the way up into your neck. And then as you flatten your lower back, notice the slight contraction in your abdominal muscles that allow your lower back to flatten. You may notice how you push through your feet a little bit to create the flattened back. Once you've done about 10, just fully relax for a few moments. Then slowly turn over to lie on your stomach. So turn your head to the right and put the back of your right hand under your left cheek. So putting the back of your right hand under your left cheek with your head turned to the right. And your other hand's just resting at your side down the length of your body. So what you're going to do now is, keeping the rest of your body relaxed, you're just going to lift up your right elbow. So you're going to lift it up, slowly lower it down, and then fully relax before you lift it again. And when you lift your elbow, notice the muscles that are contracting in between your shoulder blades and the back of your arm to enable your arm to lift. Be attentive to those muscles that are contracting. Once you've done about 3, fully relax. Now you're going to slowly lift your head to look over your right shoulder 3 times. You might lift your head only slightly, like 1 centimeter. If you can lift it further, that's fine, but it's not a competition here. It's not about being really mobile and lifting your head high. It's about fine-tuning your awareness to the subtlety of the muscles that you're using to enable you to lift your head. That's the name of this game. Can you feel the muscles that are contracting in your neck? And then fully relaxing when you relax your head down. Now, after about 3, you're going to combine the first 2 movements, lifting your elbow and your head while keeping the back of your right hand glued to your cheek as you lift. So inhale, lifting the elbow and head with the hand attached to the cheek. And just lifting as much as feels comfortable. You want all these movements to be pain-free. Doing about 3 of those, fully relaxing before you lift again. After 3, fully relaxing on the ground. Now, you may have noticed that when you were lifting your right arm and head that your left leg was trying to help out. Now we're going to focus on that connection, and you're going to just lift your left leg up off the floor, keeping your knee straight. And it could just be 1 centimeter. It might be a few inches. Whatever you feel comfortable doing that doesn't cause strain or pain. And then fully relaxing the leg down and repeating that a few times. Now after 3, fully relax on the ground. And then we're going to combine all of those movements together. So it's going to be the right elbow and the head together, lifting up on the inhale as you lift your opposite leg, straight knee, and then slowly lowering and relaxing, and doing that 3 times. I'm really paying attention to the muscles around the back and the spine, noticing them shortening and contracting as you lift, and then slowly lengthening and opening as you lower down, and then fully relaxing as you relax on the ground. And after 3 of those, you're going to cautiously and slowly turn your head to the other side. You might need to prop yourself up before you turn. Do what feels comfortable for you. Don't hurt yourself in this process.